Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know you are garden and plants lover, so that's why you are here. You are at right place. Here you can get new ideas for your backyard and garden. In this video, you will get new ideas for your garden. You can also get idea of color harmony, balance and symmetry, seasonal variety, clean and tidy design. Through these ideas, you can well keep your lawns and gardens. By regular trimming of plants, edges, and healthy looking soil, your garden looks fresh and colorful. If you found this video useful, then thumbs up and share it with your fellows garden enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for future gardening ideas. Until next time, happy gardening.